Hello friends and student. Once again welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video we are going to see the solution of some example on complex cube root of unity. Last time we have seen the complex cube root of unity. It means that x raised to 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. The solution of this equation is 1 and other two are complex conjugate of each other. Now the example based on the complex cube root of unity. The example is, if omega is complex cube root of unity, then show that number 1 minus omega plus omega square raised to 5 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square raised to 5 is equal to 32. Solution. Since omega is complex cube root of unity, that is, it satisfies the equation 1 plus x square is equal to 0. That is 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Now the LHS is given 1 minus omega plus omega square. This is one bracket and another bracket is 1 plus omega square. Now we bring this type of bracket or this type of term. Here I take my omega to the left hand side. Therefore 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega. We add minus omega to both left hand and right hand. That is 1 minus omega square, 1 plus omega square minus omega is equal to minus 2 times omega. This is equation number 1. Again, from equation we take omega square to the right hand side. Therefore 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square. We add minus omega square to both left hand side and right hand side. It is 1 plus omega minus omega square minus 2 times omega square. This is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. Now given expression is equal to 1 minus omega plus omega square raised to 5 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square raised to 5 is equal to, this is the left hand side, that is LHS. We want to show LHS equal to RHS. Now from equation 2, 1 plus omega minus omega become minus 2 omega. So this bracket is minus 2 omega raised to 5 plus 1 minus omega square. This is the equation number 3. 1 plus omega plus minus omega square is minus 2 times omega square. So minus 2 times omega square raised to 5 from equations 2 and 3. Therefore minus 2 raised to 5, it is minus 32 omega raised to 5 plus, here it is minus 2 raised to 5 is again minus 32 omega square omega square raised to 5 means omega raised to 10. So this is equal to, we can take 32 minus 32 omega raised to 5 common. Here it is 1 and here minus, we have taken minus sign common, so it is plus omega square is equal to. Now 1 plus omega square is again minus omega. 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega. minus 32 omega raised to 5, 1 plus omega is minus omega, is equal to minus minus become plus 32 omega 5 into omega is omega raised to 6 is equal to 32 omega raised to 6 means omega raised to 3 raised to 2. Since omega raised to 3 is equal to 1, because omega is cube root of unity, and therefore 32 into 1 square, it is equal to 32, and this is nothing but RHS. Hence we proved RHS. The second is number 2. 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square into 1 minus omega raised to 4 into 1 minus omega raised to 5 is equal to 9. So LHS is equal to 1 minus omega, there is nothing to simplify. 1 minus omega square, there is also nothing to simplify. Here 1 minus omega raised to 4 is there. So omega cube into omega. 1 minus omega raised to 3 into omega square. Since omega cube is equal to 1 and therefore omega cube is 1, here omega cube is 1. Therefore 1 minus omega square into 1 minus omega cube is 1, so 1 into omega is 1 minus omega. Again, 1 minus omega is 1, so it is omega square is equal to, now 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega is 1 minus omega square. 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega square is again 1 minus omega square square. Now we know that since 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, one minus omega bucket square, we expand this 1 minus 2 omega plus omega square, 1 minus 2 omega square plus omega raised to 4. Again omega cube is equal to 1, 1 minus 2 omega plus omega square, 1 minus 2 omega square, omega raised to 4 is omega 3 into omega. Now 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega. Therefore 1 plus omega square minus 2 omega, here 1 minus 2 omega square plus omega cube is 1 is equal to 1 plus omega square is minus omega, so minus omega minus 2 omega. 1 plus omega is minus omega square, so 1 plus omega is minus omega square minus 2 omega square is already there, and therefore here it is become minus 3 omega into minus 3 omega square is equal to 3 into 3 9, minus minus become plus, so it is 9. Omega into omega square is omega cube. Now omega cube is 1, so it is 1. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. This is nothing but RHS. Hence we proved this example.